Sometimes we used to clear browsing history from browser. In this video, we'll be telling about how to check anyone's browsing history even if they have deleted their browsing history. If anyone is trying to find your browsing history through this trick, you can avoid that also. In this video, we'll be telling about that also. For example, I am opening Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, above you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. Here you can see one option history. Click on history. When you are clicking on that, you can see your browsing history. Here you can see I have searched for YouTube, Facebook, TCTV, etc. Anyways, if you want to clear this browsing history, what you need to do is click on clear browsing data. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can set time range. I am setting it to last hour. After that, click on this clear data and your browsing data will be cleared. Now here you can see Facebook and YouTube search results are gone. Anyways, after this, if you want to see your search history, what you need to do is in Google search for my activity. When you are searching for my activity, you can see a website like this. This is official website from Google. Click on this myactivity.google.com website. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a new page like this. After that, what you need to do is you need to select your account. Click on this button and you can select your account. After that, when you are scrolling down, you can see your search results. Here you can see 848 I have searched for YouTube, 848 I have searched for Facebook, and same time I have searched for TCTV. Actually, in my browser, I have cleared this data, but here you can see this data. So if you are clearing your browsing history also, you can see your activity here. So like this, if anyone is checking, they can see your browsing history. To avoid this, what you can do is, you can delete this activity from here. To delete this activity, just click on this cross button, and when you are clicking on that, you can see a pop-up message like this. Click on delete, and that activity will be deleted. After that, click on got it. Or if you want to delete so many activity, above you can see delete option. Click on this delete option. Here you can see some options: last hour, last day, all time. You can select whichever you want. After that, browsing history will be deleted from here also. So when you are clearing this, no one can see your browsing history after that. So this way you can find your browsing history even if you have cleared browsing history from your browser. We have also told about how to avoid this. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.